Want to be rich? It's not luck. It's principles. The best investment is in yourself because when you invest in yourself, nobody can take it away from you. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it's a damn good down payment. Your income can only grow to the extent that you do. High-income skills are the foundation of financial success. Wealth is not just about money. It's about freedom and choices. The more you learn, the more you earn. To become a millionaire, you must learn to think like one. Money is a tool, and like any tool, you need to know how to use it properly. The road to financial freedom is paved with the skills of high income. Don't work for money, make money work for you. Success leaves clues. If you want to be successful, follow those who have already achieved success. You don't get rich by doing certain things. You get rich by doing things in a certain way. Wealth is created by providing value to the marketplace. Money follows value. If you want more money, provide more value. Financial freedom comes from having multiple streams of income. The more problems you solve, the more money you make. Focus on creating wealth, not just making money. Rich people play the money game to win. Poor people play the money game to not lose. You have to be willing to do the things today others won't do, in order to have the things tomorrow others won't have. Investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. Your financial success is determined by your ability to sell, market, and negotiate. The more people you help, the more money you make. Money is a byproduct of value creation. Becoming rich is not about hard work, it's about leverage. Success is not about being lucky, it's about having the right strategies. Financial literacy is the key to financial success. Money doesn't change who you are, it reveals who you are. Financial independence means having control over your time and your life. The rich don't work for money, they create money. You can't save your way to wealth, you have to invest your way to wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The difference between the rich and the poor is how they use their time. The rich understand the power of passive income. Money is attracted to speed. The faster you take action, the faster you get results. Your network is your net worth. To become wealthy, you must change your mindset about money. Financial success is about having the right habits. The more value you create, the more money you will make. Don't chase money, chase opportunities. The rich focus on opportunities, the poor focus on obstacles. Financial freedom is about having more choices. To make more money, you must solve bigger problems. The rich invest in assets, the poor invest in liabilities. The key to wealth is to be relentless in your pursuit of financial education. Money is a tool that can help you achieve your goals. The rich understand that time is more valuable than money. Invest in assets that produce passive income. The road to wealth is paved with good habits. Money is a reflection of your value to the marketplace. The secret to financial success is to be a lifelong learner. Subscribe and follow us on all our social media pages to learn more. If you want to learn how to run ads on Facebook and Instagram, click on the link in the description of this video to gain access to the course. See you in the next video. Bye.